Have you ever wished your slow internet could just double overnight? No new router, no expensive gear, just pure speed using the connections you already have. Sounds impossible, right?
All things tech, all in one place. Tech Talks.
Well, today I'm going to show you how to combine two or even more internet connections into one blazing fast connection, all using just software. So here's the plan. We're going to take two separate internet sources. It could be 5G, LTE, fiber, DSL, radio, whatever you've got, and merge them into one faster connection. No, we're not talking about using a load balancing router or buying extra hardware. We'll do it purely through software on a Windows computer. Here's what you'll need. 1. A Windows PC or laptop with decent hardware. This process can be CPU intensive, so the faster the CPU, the better. For example, I'm using a laptop with an Intel Core i5-13420H processor. And if you're using a laptop, make sure it's plugged in for maximum performance. 2. Two separate internet connections. Ideally, you should connect both via Ethernet cables. Yes, the software supports mixing one Ethernet and one Wi-Fi connection, but in most tests, that setup gives inconsistent results. So, I recommend using two wired connections if possible. 3. A USB to Ethernet adapter for your second connection. Most laptops only have one Ethernet port. So you can plug a second Ethernet cable through a USB 3.0 to Ethernet adapter, or if your laptop has a Type-C port, use a Type-C to Ethernet adapter. As you can see on screen, it's a small adapter. One side goes to your USB or Type-C, and the other side connects your Ethernet cable. 4. Alternatively, you can even use your mobile phone's internet as the second connection. Just plug your phone into your PC with a USB cable and enable USB tethering, sometimes called Ethernet tethering, from your phone's settings. It will show up as a separate network connection on your computer, just like a normal Ethernet adapter. Before we jump into the software part, if you're finding this helpful so far, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it lets you catch my future tech tutorials. Now for the fun part. We'll use a software called inetfusion. It's a simple tool that can detect all your network connections and merge their bandwidth. Download and install the software from its official site. If you need help finding it for free, check the Telegram link I left in the video description. It points to more setup info. Once installed, plug in your two internet sources. Open inetfusion. You should see something like two internet connections detected, each one shown as a cable icon. If it doesn't start automatically, click the Start button at the bottom. If it only shows one connection, even though both are plugged in, try this. Restart your computer, unplug and replug your adapters, close inetfusion completely, right-click and exit from the taskbar, and open it again. Usually, after a few tries, it will recognize both connections. Once inetfusion is running, it will automatically distribute your traffic across both connections. You don't have to do anything else. Just start downloading something. Important note, this method only works well with multi-connection downloads. If you download a file from a single threaded source, you'll only use one of your connections. So, for testing, use a download manager like Internet Download Manager, or IDM, which opens 8 connections per file, or other free multi-connection downloaders, such as Free Download Manager, JDownloader. You can also run a speed test on speedtest.net, which supports multi-connection tests. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your download speed jump close to the combined total of both connections. Now, keep in mind a few things. The faster your internet sources are, the more CPU power your PC will need to handle the traffic. This method can cause ping spikes or jitter, so it's not recommended for gaming. It's best used for big downloads when you need all the speed you can get. And that's it. You've just combined two internet connections into one super speed link using only software. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tech tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the speed.